Hello po! In this video, we're going to show you how we prepare the mixture of insecticide and foliar fertilizer to spray hot paper pinatubo. This video is for aspiring farmers, beginner farmer, and old farmer. Our channel is accepting review for seeds, insecticide, herbicide, tools, and equipment. Now, let's continue and we will show you the process of preparing the mixture and formula used to protect our hot paper and to induce their flower and have more fruits. So we're going to use a measuring cup to prepare the solution. This cup contains the 35 to 40 ml liquid, and at the same time it can also be used to measure powder insecticide and other components. Now we will first put the small water on the tank, sprayer tank. This sprayer tank that I'm using today can contain 18 liters of water. So I'm going to show you. And this is a battery operated sprayer, can contain 18 liters of water. So we're going to put first a gallon or more than 3 liters of water. Then we're going to put the foliar fertilizer. The first thing that we're going to put is the power grower combo. This will induce the flowering and fruiting of the plant. So this will accelerate absorption and assimilation of available soil nutrients, resulting in an amazing plant growth. By the way, this foliar fertilizer also contain gibberellic acid or GE3. So there's no need for me to use that one because it was added to this foliar fertilizer already. So the normal scoop for this one is 4, but since we are using 3 foliar fertilizer, I will going to use only 2 scoop of this power grower combo. This can be used for vegetables, fruit trees, papaya, dragon fruit, and ornamental plants. Also, it's good for tobacco. Then the next foliar fertilizer, we're going to use 3. This one is the heavyweight tandem. It will speed up the ripening of our hot paper, and at the same time make it bigger. We are also going to use 2 scoop. Then next we're going to add the liquid anaa. This will make the hot paper always fresh. And this anaa is used for as a protein, and this is used for rooting. So if you are planting cuttings, you can You can use this foliar fertilizer to induce the rooting, and at the same time it speeds up the growth. So it is 400% concentrate for rapid effect formula. So this is for faster growing, healthier and more productive plants. This foliar has also gibberellic acid content. We're going to put 10 ml from this anaa. So the three components that we have already put are foliar. It's only foliar fertilizer. The next we're going to put insecticide. We use this Delta King to protect our hot pepper from insects, the worms. This is worm killing insecticide. Any worms it can control. We'll only put 10 ml of this one. Okay, then the last, the fourth one, we're going to use Pegasus to control the white fly and other small insects that cannot be noticed by our naked eye. I use this weekly to protect my hot pepper so it will not be disturbed. Their growth and development will be continue as we use this one. There's no disturbance. But this Pegasus cannot control worms. Only white fly and spider mites. The small insects can be controlled by using this Pegasus. Now we're going to add water till the brim. Will not put too much. The insecticide and foliar fertilizer will be mixed together as we pour water to the sprayer. When using battery operated sprayer, make sure that your sprayer is always charged. This sprayer is very good. You can use it 20 times before it will lowbat. I have been using this sprayer for more than 2 years. It's very much efficient and good service. We'll put the cap and we will begin spraying the hot pepper. This time we're going to show you how we spray the hot pepper planted in our plot. Our hot pepper is more than 5 months already. So there's still a lot of flowers coming out. as it continues to bear flower and develop fruits. So you can see they are full grown. So now that they are fully grown up, this is now the process of how we spray them. I see some fruit fly and white fly. The fruit fly cannot be controlled by our solution, but they don't affect much. I see some white fly. The pathway where we are walking is now clean. The weeds are killed by the demolition mixed with sulfate. We are also still spraying this one with the C10 fungicide mixed with calcium nitrate to protect them from fungus, especially now that it's still raining. You know that when it's rain, it affects the fruit of our pinatubo hot paper. So there you can see it has flowers, and as the fruit develops, there are white fly, and they will affect the growth development of our hot paper. So that's why we are always using Pegasus in our mixture or solution. The delta king will control if there is insects hiding and hiding in the leaves or any part. Sometimes the insects eats and consume the fruit, then it falls down. So that's why we need to add delta king, this delta twin. I use delta king or delta twin to kill worms because it is much higher in concentration and more effective compared to other brand of insecticide. When aphids attack my hot paper, I use malatayon, but aphids seldom appear. Aphids will only appear there are, or if aphids appear, ants also goes with them, because the ants eats the aphids. But now you can see seldom, very seldom you can see ants here because there's no aphids. So if you have question, if you have some things to be clarified in mind, you are free to comment stating your question or inquiries regarding how to plant, how to maintain, how to develop your hot paper. Not only hot paper, some vegetables also we have here, like tomato, eggplant, and others. We might have an idea to help you. So you're welcome to have, we welcome your question and inquiries about vegetable production, how we plant them, how we maintain them, and how we market them. It's very important that you know where to market your products, because if you don't know how to market them, even though you will going to have a lot of harvest, but you will not going to have that good price and the proper place where you can market or sell your product. Still, you will be losing some of your possible income. So make sure that you will have target market, and you have already contact someone who will buy your product, so that even though your product will be little, if you can have or avail that good price, still you will going to have a good income. So you must learn many things about vegetables production to gain more profit and to succeed in producing this one. So I hope you will continue to watch my videos, that you and I also expect that you learn from my videos, and I hope that you will going to enjoy your farming activity, and don't quit, because quitter never win. You only win if you can overcome your problems and your obstacle. So thank you very much. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, share also our videos, and like it, so that whenever you want to go back to our video, there it is in your like videos. It will not be lost. So be sure that if you if you think that our video will help you, like our videos. So thank you, and God bless everyone.